Hello, today I'll show you how to create sales orders in the system. Go to Sales, Sales Orders, and click Create. On the Main tab, specify the customer, your company, and the warehouse. If you use terms of sales, specify them as well. In my case, a contract is also required, so as you can see, it is filled in automatically. On the Goods tab, we can add the goods the customer wants to order. You can fill in the table manually by clicking Add, import the goods from the external file, or use the goods pickup form by clicking Fill, Pick Goods. Here, you can see the list of goods from the product's catalog. You can select items of a particular item kind, filter items by prices, or only by goods currently in stock. Double-click the item to see it in the table below, where you can specify the supply option, the quantity, the price, and so on. Finally, click Add to Document. The items will appear in the sales order. When you add an item to the list, as a sales representative, you need to specify what action will be applied to the item. You can select one or several lines, click Supply, and select the required action. If there are goods in stock and you are ready to ship them to the customer, select Ship. To reserve the goods in the warehouse, click Reserve. If there are not enough goods in stock, but there are purchase orders for the required items in the system, you can reserve them upon receipt. If there are not enough goods in stock and there is no purchase orders created in the system, you can select to supply these items. If you are waiting for an advance payment before you start the supply process, use the Do Not Supply action. You can always check the available quantity of goods in the Available column. I'll select the Ship action. Then specify the price, the discount, if any, and the VAT rate, if applicable. At the bottom, you can specify a shipment date. Shipment date can be the same for all items in the order, or if you clear the checkbox, the shipment date will be specified for each sales order line. On the More tab, you can specify the additional information. A very important thing here is currency and taxation. Now let's get back to the Main tab and specify payment terms. Click the payment link. Let's see what options we have. Here you can specify how many days the customer has to make payment. Let it be 10 days. What will be the start date to calculate the payment due date? It can be sales order date, sales order approval date, and shipment date. The system calculates the payment date automatically. You can also specify what kind of payment is that. Payment before supply, before shipment, after shipment, or regardless of shipment. In my case, it's also filled in automatically. As you can see, I want to pay in 10 days after shipment. And of course, I need to specify the payment percent and amount. Once you fill one of these two fields, the second one is calculated automatically. Let's apply it. If the customer decides not to purchase some of the items in the order, we can go to the Goods tab and select the cancellation checkbox. If you want to specify the reason why the order is cancelled, you need to enable it in the settings first. Let's go to Master Data and Settings, Sales, and select the Reasons for Sales Order Cancellation checkbox. As you can see, it is selected in my case. That's why I can specify the reason in the sales order. And that's it. Don't forget to save your order at the end. That's it. I've shown you how to create sales orders in the system. Thanks for watching and see you.